Hey, what is going on, guys? It is your second favorite stock options trader, Michael Shear here, kind of coming back. It's been a little bit of time since I took a video. I know it's only been a week, but I thought, hey, why not come back and make another video? Because I talked about calls and I was talking about puts. I actually made a video on long calls and it seems to be doing really well. People are really enjoying it. And I wanted to come back to you and talk to you about what is the opposite of that. So that would be long puts. So long puts is whenever you are betting that a stock is going to go down, and you're taking a position so that whenever it does go down, you are making money in that way. So typically these are a little bit more expensive, and not wanting to really get into the ooey gooey of all of that. Basically, there's a thing that we call in the options world of a put call skew, where typically the premium is pushed into a put more than it is into a call, so making the put prices just a little bit more expensive. So not in essence of that you're making more or less off of a trade, but it's going to be more expensive to get in from the same starting point, let's say at the money per se. So right now is a great time to start talking about that, because last 2 weeks or so we have been noticing a lot of just kind of down, or if not choppiness in the market. A lot more in the last week. Last week we had some really good opportunities to go short if you were not already there, but I wanted to really come back and talk to you about it, because this is a great way of taking advantage of that, is by taking on positions such as long puts. So let's go into one that I brought up a video before of Citigroup. Boop boop boop, clip clip clip. We ain't gonna put that in there because that was weird. Citigroup has been having just a horrible time. We've seen a couple days of down, and just in the financial sector in general has been really trading pretty poorly, and not as much or as good as the entire market itself, like especially the tech sector, which has been on fire over the past couple months or so. But with Citigroup here, we've seen some catalyst in the news, and that their books aren't looking good because of the thing that I talked about in the previous video. Go check that out. I'll put that in the link below. But also their stock price is falling. So to take advantage of that, we get our long puts. So what I want to talk about was the support and resistance, and what we were seeing. So our daily close was below the previous support at 45. So that shows that there's bears taking over. They're in control of the trade per se. So most of the time you just want to be in the trend. You want to take advantage of the trend itself, and you usually don't want to play against it unless you're scalping, of course, and that's just for another whole nother time. So what I was finding is the first target would be something around the $43.50 mark, and then with an aggressive target at $40. So again, we're using the catalyst of the news, we're using the downtrend itself, which is the most powerful part of it all, and then also what some people don't really look at when they're trading technicals is that the financial sector itself is lagging, which can mean that when bears step in, really, they can probably take over really strong and have extremely aggressive moves to the downside, which only benefits you if you're into that put. So what we're looking for while we're in our puts play, if we're going longer for a longer period of time, we're just looking for lower lows and lower highs. So even if you get like a little bit of reversal, and you see that kind of buyers are trying to step back in, but they do not take it back over the previous high. That's a good point, either for an addition or adding to your position in the first place, or just kind of holding on, kind of seeing what's happening. You always want to give your plays room to work. So in this, that is what a long put does for you, taking advantage and speculating on a down move So that is what a long put does for you. It benefits you when the market is going down, and then we can use this example in Citigroup as a way of taking advantage of our long put short strategies. All right, thank you guys, and I will see you next time. Also, a little bit of house cleaning here. If you do not have a brokerage already, go to Webull. The offer code is down below. Get you 2 free stocks. Also, if you do not have a Discord, look down below as well and find you a good Discord. Get you some accountability. Get some guys to knock some ideas and strategies against off with. And also, to support me, please subscribe. Please hit a like. And if you would like some one-on-one, I do one-on-one mentoring for a little bit of price. Just shoot me a DM or shoot me a message. Love to talk to you about that, and we can kind of get you going, get you set up in the right way and becoming a better trader. Peace out, peace and love.